Good evening. My name is Nandini. I am from Kukkikatte, Udupi. I have completed MA and DEd. I completed my primary and high school education in my hometowns, Sirsi. Now I am pursuing MA in economics, uh, and my profession is teacher for primary children, primary school. Uh, Here in as a teacher, English is very important to me, and I decided to join JITA in 2019 once. Uh, then I have learned more in JITA that time also. After that, there was Corona, and I left my job. Means children were not there in that time, so I was doing online class, but the communication with children was not there that time. So my communication become very low in English because everyone in my home they were speaking Tulu and Kannada only, and that's why I didn't continue my what I have learned in JITA, that I didn't continue. That's why my skills was gone. So again, I joined the same school, and I worked since 6 years. I'm working here now. In that school also, everybody is speaking in English more than fluent me. Means no our headmistress or any other teacher, one or two teachers, they were speaking English very well. In front of them, I become very nervous. If I know the English also, I can't speak with them. So I decided to rejoin in JITA, and I called Prashant sir. I was very nervous to speak with him because I already joined once. Then what he will thought as a teacher? How can I ask? That time I thought. Then I discussed with my friend. She also encouraged me. Oh, we both can join once. See, however, see what we will expense too much money to buy sarees, or in discount time we will go to shopping and we will expense our salary. So she told, whatever, we should join once, we should learn English and we should speak in front of our staff. That's our goal. So we decided to come here, JITA, and we discussed with Prashant sir. He told that you can join. You want here first he assessed our English. That I was become very nervous because I was second time what he will think that type. So then we joined, and here there was good experience to me. I'm always comparing our trainings. Means we teachers had so many trainings. In that also they will teach how to improve our English. But compared to other trainings, this JITA is very good institution to train teachers. And I this is my suggestion, sir and ma'am, you can I told ma'am also, ma'am, why you are you won't take class for teachers. I asked her also, and she told, yeah, I'm also interested to take class for teachers. So this is a very good experience to me. I have learned from here lot of things in grammar. Means that present continuous tense had been perfect tense, present and past. Those are very difficult to understand. We know that, but I didn't use till when I was before I come to this JITA. I won't use that words had been, has been, like that. After here only I am using now, and I am speaking with my child, and in my class also in English now because of JITA. I am very happy to say this very confidently. I'm saying this. I'm very confidently saying this. I'm very thankful to Jita, and I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Suprita ma'am and Prashant sir for your motivational speech to us. And in language club also have learned so many things, meditation, like some of the group activities and self love, all these very useful to me. And I definitely I will suggest some members, or my friends, or my relatives, or my colleagues. I'm suggesting now also. After this course also, I will suggest someone to join Jita, because compared to any other English training school, this is very good English training training class in Udupi. It is, finally, I would like to say my sincere gratitude to Prashant sir and Suprita ma'am. Thank you very much for sharing your knowledge with us. It's gained more knowledge in English for me. So thank you so much, sir.